Hey guys, welcome back to Arvin's Kitchen, and today I am going to be making my version of cherry juice using local homegrown cherries. Come along and let's get started. Here we have it folks, some nice homegrown cherries. When I'm making cherry juice, I like it a bit sour but not too sweet. Amount of cherries, I will be adding some gooseberries or damsels for an extra kick of sourness. Give it a gentle rinse and then head for the blender. I know your mouth watering for this nice cherry and gooseberry, you know. Let it there boy, all red and juicy. To this amount of cherries in the blender, I will be adding a small bowl of sugar. I am going to be adding a bowl of water. And the next bowl of water. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of essence. For blending. Look at that color, that beautiful color. I will strain it and finish blending the rest of the cherries. Good stuff there, boy, the good stuff. I'm going to blend the second set of gooseberries and cherries. Will not be adding any more sugar or essence because I added enough to the first set. I'm going to add the second set to my strainer. So guys, I am going to finish draining my blended up cherries and I am going to turn it into a nice delicious juice. As I am straining it, I will add some water because it is very thick. That I can get out all of the goodness there and strain out the seeds. Aroma of the blended cherries tingle your nose and makes your mouth water. So I've gotten about 3.5 liters of cherry juice from my blended cherries. As I keep straining my cherries, I will keep adding water. I can get as much as I can from the blended cherries. Okay, so I have 2 containers of cherry juice, which is about 6 liters, and I have the drained cherry seeds. The juice is red, it's rich, and it's not watery at all. Texture and the consistency. You have it folks, almost 5 bottles of juice. Based on your preference of taste, you can add more sugar depending on how sweet you like your juice. You can also add some lime juice as well. Time for the taste test. Time to quench my thirst with this delicious juice. Delicious! Local is the way to go, folks. You get more than what you buy in the shop. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.